Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a push spin with man. So obviously you need to know how to do a push spin already, link in the description below. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what do we need to do? Well, it starts exactly the same as a push spin. We go semicircling back, we come in, set the push spin up. Guys, a little bit different for us compared to usual because we want to be thinking, get the weight on the right because we know we're about to spin to the left and that's easier to do on the left foot. So we set up, we build up the tone, leave the lady as usual, but we send ourselves off into a spin to the left and we've got to get round early enough so that we're still there in time to catch the lady. Lower and back, return the lady, and finish off. So the only danger with this move is that occasionally you'll get a lady who, no matter how gently you lead the spin, she decides to go round as fast as humanly possible. Under those circumstances, either A, you're not going to be there to catch her, B, you're going to go faster than her, or she's going to end up having to go round multiple times before you're ready. Neither of those, well, none of those are particularly good solutions. So assuming everyone's going at the right speed, it should look like this numbers wise. It goes back 1, in and flat 2, prepping both of you, spinning 3, catching 4, returning 5 and back 6. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a push spin with man. We go a back, flat, spin, catch, return and back. One small tip that gives the guys a tiny advantage is that instead of being dead square when I do my preparation, I actually start to angle myself left, so I'm effectively leading Karen Walsh's on my right hand side because it gives me a head start into my spin, effectively save myself a little bit of time, which makes it easier for me to be round before the lady. Okay, hope you've enjoyed that, hope you find it useful. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. If you do like it, great, put a like on it. If you subscribe to the channel, that helps promote everything, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll know every time a new video comes out. There's a music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.